In the world of Excel, finding the right information quickly is key. That's where index match comes in. This powerful function combination lets you search for and retrieve specific data within your spreadsheets. Index fetches a value from a specific location within a range of cells. Match pinpoints the position of a specific value within a row or column. Together, they make your spreadsheets more efficient and adaptable. You might be familiar with Vlookup, another popular lookup function in Excel. While Vlookup can be useful, index match offers several advantages that make it a superior choice. Vlookup is limited to looking up values only to the right of the lookup column. Index match allows you to search in any direction, left or right. It also remains stable even after column insertions or deletions. In short, index match offers more flexibility, stability, and efficiency than Vlookup. Let's dive into a real-life scenario to illustrate the power of index match. Imagine you have a spreadsheet containing a list of fruits, their corresponding product IDs, and their prices. Your task is to find the price of a specific fruit, say a banana, using its name as the search criterion. Our data is arranged in 3 columns: product ID, product, and price. We want to search for banana in the product column and retrieve the corresponding price from the price column. In the next sections, we'll break down the steps involved in using index match to accomplish this task effortlessly. Section 4. Finding the right row. The match function in action. The first step is to locate the row number where banana appears in the product column. The match function searches for a specific value within a range and returns its relative position. In our example, assuming the product column spans from B2 to B57, the formula would look like this. The match function will scan the product column, B2 to B57, and return the position of banana within that range. This row number is crucial for the next step, where we use the index function to retrieve the corresponding price. Section 5. Retrieving the value index to the rescue. Now that we know the row number where banana is located, we can use the index function to retrieve the corresponding price from the price column. In our example, assuming the price column spans from C2 to C57 and the match function returned the row number 1, the index formula would be =index C2 C57 1. The index function will look at the first row of the range C2 to C57, which corresponds to the price of banana, and return the value found in that cell. So, if the price of banana is in cell C2, the index function will return that price. Section 6. Combining forces, the ultimate index match formula. Now, instead of using match and index separately, we can combine them into a single, elegant formula. To achieve this, we simply nest the match function within the index function, replacing the row number argument with the entire match formula. The final index match formula for our example would be =index C2 C57 match banana B2 B57 0. This formula does everything in one go. Match banana B2 to B57, 0 finds the row number of banana in the product column. Index C2 to C57, row number retrieves the value from the corresponding row in the price column. Now, we can also see how the formula stays intact even when the dataset changes. This is handy when you need to ensure stability of your business rules. Section 7. Embracing the power of index match. As we've seen, index match is a versatile and powerful tool for looking up and retrieving data in Excel. Its ability to search in any direction, handle column changes, and perform efficiently makes it superior to Vlookup in many situations. By mastering index match, you can unlock new levels of efficiency and flexibility in your spreadsheets. So, embrace the power of index match and elevate your Excel skills to the next level.